Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to be going over checkout settings and shipping settings. So the first thing you want to do from your Shopify dashboard is go to settings in the bottom left, and we're going to go to checkout. So the first thing we want to make sure is that accounts are disabled. You can have it so that they have to have an account, but for the most part you want to have it so that anyone can see your store. So the next thing here is your customer can check out using their phone number or their email address. We want them just to check out with their email address so that we can capture as many emails as we can. So here for form options, full name, you can require just last name or first and last name, however you want to do it. Company name, we're going to have his hidden. Optional, so address line 2 is going to be optional here. While the customer is checking out, use the shipping address as the billing address by default. So you can enable address auto completion if you want. You can have it so it automatically fulfills the order line items or doesn't automatically fulfill. I would go with do not automatically fulfill just in case the customer has any issues or they want to make a change within 24 hours. I would always fulfill, 24 to 48 hours after someone places an order. It'll archive the order here, make sure that's there. You can manage your checkout language here, and then of course your policies are all here. So hit save on that. And the next thing in settings we want to do is shipping. So I know this is a big thing for a lot of people. So you can put where it's shipping from. So if you're using a vendor, you can put in a vendor address here, or however you want to do that. If you want to put in your own address, you can. You can do shipping rates at checkout. So let's edit Canada here really quick. Now you can do price-based rates or weight-based. So you can do, you can add a rate here. So this would be free over $75. If you want to do, a nice banner on your page that is, if you order $75 worth of product, it's free shipping. So just like that. So minimum order value would be $75 and no limit on the maximum. So hit done. And now $75 and up is free shipping. And then of course under 75, so this would be 0 and this would be $74.99. And your shipping rate would be $5. Let's just say. Let's make that $4.99. And then name this under 75. Hit done. And now you've set up two options. So if you want to add, if you want to advertise free shipping over a certain amount of dollar value, you can there. And you can also add weight-based rates. Now this gets a little tricky just because with every product you have to make sure that your weight is in there. So we don't actually do weight-based rates. You can do calculated rates here. We don't worry about that much. We'll just do that. Customer won't see the zone name. They'll see the country though. So you can add all your countries in here. You can add new shipping zones. So Canada, United States. So if you want to ship worldwide, you can figure out what your shipping cost is going to be and add those countries. So very simple. And that is it for our settings. Actually right in here is your sales channels. You can add all your sales channels. So if you have Amazon or Etsy, if you have CartHook, whatever you have, you can add it here. But other than that, that is it for our settings, and I will see you in the next video.